Are you curious about which photo editing app is better? Today, we're comparing FaceApp and Persona. Both tools let you transform your selfies in fun and creative ways. They can change your appearance, add filters, and even age you in photos. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with FaceApp. This app is famous for its aging feature. You can see what you might look like in the future. It also offers a variety of filters, hairstyles, and makeup options. The interface is user friendly, making it easy to navigate. Now, let's look at Persona. This app focuses more on creating unique avatars. You can customize your look in a cartoony style. It's great for social media profiles and has a fun, playful vibe. Persona also allows you to add backgrounds and other elements to your images. Now, what are the key differences? FaceApp is all about realistic photo editing. It gives you a true to life look. Persona, on the other hand, is more about creativity and fun. It's less realistic and more about creating a character. When it comes to features, FaceApp has advanced editing tools. You can adjust facial features, change hairstyles, and apply makeup. Persona offers a range of customization options but focuses on creating a cartoon avatar rather than editing real photos. In terms of pricing, both apps have free versions. However, they also offer premium features for a fee. Face apps' premium features are more extensive, while personas are more focused on avatar creation. So, which one should you choose? If you want realistic edits and a variety of filters, go for FaceApp. If you prefer a fun way to create unique avatars, Persona is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.